Hello everybody! Welcome to my channel. My name is Marcelo and today we are going to talk about array and object destructuring. That is an easy way to extract element properties from an array or from an object. So let's see this in practice. So I will give you now a brief example about array and object destructuring. For that I'm using CodePen. Okay, so I have my JavaScript here where I can type code and let's see array destructuring. So I create an array, let array, and I will assign some values for this array like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will create another variable and assign this array to this variable, and then I will output this variable b. So what we get here, the variable b have the same values, is the same as the array here, because they are pointing to the same place in the memory. Remember that array is not a primitive type in JavaScript. But so the variable b is the same as the array. I'm not using now array destructuring. If I want to use now array destructuring, I have to use square brackets. So I have to put square brackets here. I have to use square brackets here. And now I'm using array destructuring. This means that I am destructuring this array here and extracting one element, that is the first element. And when I use array destructuring, the order matters. This means that I have only one element, so I get the first. If I want to get the second here, I have to put a comma, so I will get the second element, so b will output 2 for me. I can extract at the same time not only one element, but I can extract more elements. For example, if I put here c and I will output b and I will also output c, okay? You see that b have the value of 2 and c have the value of 3. So you see that order matters, because this I ignore the first element, I get the second element, that's 2, I got the third element, that's 3, and I ignore the element 4 and the element 5. Okay, so this is array destructuring that is very good to use. Okay, now let's see object destructuring. For that, I will create an object literal in JavaScript, let object equal, and I use now curly brackets or curly braces. So I will assign a property like for name and a property value of John, and then I assign a property surname and a property value of Doe. Okay, so this is an object. And if I do the same as above, let's say let b, I already created the b above, let's see d equal object, and if I log this object d here, what I will get is the same. So I am passing this object d is the same as the object here. They are the same. Okay, I'm not using object destructuring now. If I want to use object destructuring, I have to do the same that I have done for arrays. But instead to use square brackets that we have done here, I have to use curly brackets. So I have to go here and I use curly brackets. And the second thing that I have to do is that the order does not matter. Here the order matters, here the order does not matters, but the name matters. For example, the property matters. If I want to get the property value Doe, I have to use the property surname. So I have to replace d for surname. Replace d here all for surname, and you see that we got the property value Doe, because surname extract this property value for us. Okay, so this is array and object destructor. If you like this video, do not forget to thumbs up and please subscribe. See you in the next video.